Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for a paddleboard for the ultimate water adventure, I can't recommend this one from ZLX enough. So I'm a seasoned stand-up paddleboarder. I am so impressed with this board. Not only is it amazingly stable, but it just feels so good in the water, and I would feel totally comfortable having like my 75-year-old mother ride this board. This is a large board with a very wide deck, and it is incredibly stable. So that's thanks to its unique fin design. This actually has 4 different fins. The middle one is quite long, and that is the StabilTrac fin. This is an 11-foot 6-inch board. It has a 35-inch width and a 6-inch base. I fill it all the way up to the 15 psi. That way it feels like you're standing on just like a wooden plank. It has military grade PVC. The seams are extremely tight, and the deck has an amazing non-slip pad that stretches really far. It can accommodate up to 550 pounds, and you have all of that space to be able to maneuver around, keep your feet stable and secure even if it's wet. This has so many D-rings, and it has bungee cords on the front and the back, so you can attach things like a cooler, secure your paddle if you're just like relaxing and floating without paddling. This is such an amazing board, and I think that you're going to love it just as much as we have, and that's my point of view.